How to turn on auto sign in Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on auto sign in your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on passwords. And you have the second option, which is auto sign in. Click on it and turn on this option to automatically sign in to website using stored credential. When the feature is off, you will be asked for a verification every time before signing in to a website. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.